is this? What is happening? All I can hear is just screaming birds. Someone stole the meat! Oh! Did I catch that? What is happening? This is so goofy. Like, what? I think another bird stole the big meat. Oh, they're eating over there now. Yup. These are silly birds. What are they doing? I'm surprised they're not scared by the truck. My dad's coming. I'm recording the birds.
What?
I'm recording the birds. The meat's gone. Their big piece of meat is gone.
Were they fighting it over it, or did one of them eat it?
The bird. I think one of the birds stole the meat because the meat ain't there anymore. Did you just fart?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Anyways, bye-bye.